Hello and welcome to this tutorial from Geekatplay Studio. And in this series we continue to create a different epic landscapes. Something more is inspirational for you. This is example we're going to create inside the Vue with a different plane and also total optional, but on the end if you want you can go inside the Photoshop and just create this more painting effect. As well we can go and create the map for our image, so we can use it enhance for new Facebook 3D or using as a focus blur inside the Photoshop. So again, that is last part is optional, but all what we mainly will be focused how to create a scenery overlook of the valley inside the Vue. So let's go ahead and start working on this. Okay, so we're beginning by creating terrain first. And as we're creating, we have usually background, foreground, and middle ground. So we have three different areas what we're going to create. And for this one, I will just begin with a background to create mountains. So for this, we'll just go create a standard high fill terrain. Let's zoom out. And we're moving a little bit on the back. Okay, let's go ahead, double time click or right click and select edit, so we can go inside the terrain editor. So right here in terrain editor we have it kind of a little bit flat. We can always modify, and you can do this by clicking. In this case I will going to use it peaks because I want to just preview them, and I can do a couple times just to be sure the peaks look good. Okay, maybe now click a few more times, see which one was selected. Now let's do one more time. Okay, I think this peak will work good. So let's go ahead, click OK. I will leave as default resolution because this will be on a back. So we don't necessarily need that high resolution. The next what I want to do is select one of the sides. We don't want to have it on the corners, just on the side, and you can see how it's changed to kind of two arrows pointing. So we can stretch, and that's what I want to do. I'm stretching this to make it a little bit longer. So next I want to take this and rotate a little bit towards camera. So overall we create kind of far away mountains, and by stretching towards camera we will going to use haze, and what's happening on the front will be a little bit sharper, and the haze will increase as it's going on the back. So this way we'll have it a nice kind of almost mountains they going hiding in the background fog. Let's go duplicate this, and we can do this by press and hold down Alt or Option on a Mac key, and at the same time left click with the mouse. We'll hold down key, left click and drag, and what you can see it's kind of duplicating them. So we can duplicate about 3 on this side. Okay, we can take one more, duplicate another side. Let's rotate it so it's kind of opposite way, and same things we can duplicate 3 more times. So now we build them, but they all look same. To change them we can just again go in editor and just click on a peaks one more time. It will change shape of our mountains. Okay, right here. So let's go click on the peaks, click OK, and we'll do same thing with 3 more. We'll go click on the peaks. I don't know if it's changing. There you go. I don't think actually I changed other ones, so I'm going to open them. I probably just click off the screen a little bit. It's okay. So we'll go click those ones and same peaks. Okay, now they all look all different, but if you look on this preview, they're kind of hiding because we have it a little bit different in size. For this one we'll need to increase them and make bigger, so as far away the taller it is. If the same mountains, they will hide in real world, so we won't see them. But right here we can go increase, make them taller, and we'll do this on both sides. And let's make these ones, make them even bigger. Okay, so even the bigger, but you can see they're kind of hiding behind this mountain. we have two choices. One, we can take this little bit decrease, make it smaller. Also, we can increase our mountain itself. But for example, I don't want to increase size overall. I can also take those arrow and stretch just a little bit up on this one, and same right here. You can just stretch a little bit up and maybe even make bigger, like right there. Actually, I want to see, so it kind of going inside. So same, we have it mountains right there. We can make them bigger and as well taller. Let's select this one. Same problem. We'll just make it a little bit bigger and taller. And we have it this close-up one. Okay, I just want to be sure. Maybe a little bit too tall. Just let's make it smaller. Okay. The other things you also can, just to preview, we can also change color. To do this, we'll open Material Editor. And in Material Editor, right here with visibility, I'm just clicking and we'll select color. So I'll select red for this one. Okay, we can go select first terrain. And okay, right there, we'll go select green. So we have a red one. Let's select yellow. We already, this one will be bluish. That one already red. This one purple. And let's go select maybe cyanish. Okay. The next, what we can do, we can always go ahead, select render to screen, so we can preview, and we click render. So now when we apply the highlights, you can see how the mountains look, and they kind of stuck, not necessarily very interesting. So what I want to do is bring this blue mountain more closer to the edge, and this mountain same. So just spread, we have a nice flow. Okay, let's go take this mountain, move to the edge, and we'll now take blue mountain and move to the edge as well. Maybe I don't necessarily like this one single shape. We can go click, change slightly to different shape. I think now they look better. Okay, so let's go again, click on our terrain, and now we don't need to worry about those highlights. We can just take them and turn back. To using highlighters for our terrain, it's very nice when you start depth with different mountains. So it's kind of nice tip on this case. You can preset and see how they look. Okay, so now right here on the back, we have it a little bit empty. And for this one, I want to add mountains. So I'll go create new. So let's just increase size quite a bit big. Put in the middle. We'll go to edit our terrain. And for this one, actually, I want to increase my resolution. So I'll go increase 1000 and we'll go select peaks. You can notice because we increase resolution, we have way more details now on our peaks. And because this one will be my hero mountain kind of, I want to have it way more details for this. Okay, we can increase. And again, one thing we can do also, we can stretch them a little bit left and right. Take it down, maybe average. So right now, if we look, we can see we have our hero mountain on the back. And again, don't worry about too sharp. They will be way far on the back. But right here, we have a preview for our backdrop. Okay, when we're done setting our backdrop, let's go save our work, and we can continue in the next portion of the tutorial.